Hey there, cake lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a scrumptious apple cake recipe that'll make your taste buds dance. You know those fancy cakes you see in bakeries? Well, we're going to whip up something even better right in your kitchen. All right, let's gather our star players. 3 eggs, 7 grams of vanilla sugar, or a splash of vanilla extract. 120 grams of sugar. Let's get mixing. Grab your electric mixer and beat those eggs, vanilla and sugar together until it's fluffy and the sugar is dissolved. This is crucial for that perfect cake texture. See that? Smooth and creamy. Now, let's slowly add in 100 grams of oil and 100 grams of yogurt. Slowly, like giving your cake a cozy hug. Now for the fun part. Add in 60 grams lemon juice. And zest. This is what brings our cake to life, making it soft and oh so delicious. Time to bring in the flour. Add 180 grams of sifted flour gradually. Mix in gently. Don't rush this part. And don't forget the baking powder. Ideally, mix it with the flour first, but hey, I'm not perfect either. And just like that, our cake mix is ready to go. Now, let's prepare our apples. Slice up those beauties and give them a splash of lemon juice to keep them fresh and vibrant. I've got my round mold greased with butter. And here's a little secret. Sprinkle some sugar at the bottom for a caramelized surprise later. Take your time placing those apple slices beautifully in the mold. This part is optional, but I love caramelizing my apples. Just cook the sugar with the apples until it starts to caramelize. Then remove it from heat. Now pour that luscious cake mix over the apples and pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Cue the magic. Here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see that perfectly baked apple cake. Look at that beauty. It smells heavenly. I can't wait for you to try this at home. Give it a go and let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Love you all and see you soon. Feel free to adjust any parts to match your style. And Enjoy baking.